God.
Is this normal? What's going on? Late night searching till the morning comes. 10 tabs open, heart racing too. You need real answers, not something new. Answers before anxiety, that's the way care should be.